We are at this Veterana Center exhibition organized at Tefla Studio, Aramnagar 129. And in this exhibition, we are seeing a lot of interesting work being done in the area of art and craft and handloom and textiles. And one of the entrepreneurs that caught my eye is with me over here. I begin by asking her a little bit about herself. What is your name and what is the name of your NGO and what it does?
Yes, I'm Ibha Athavia from Social Upliftment and Development for Health Action, and it is an abbreviated name. It is a famous for name Swadha NGO. Swadha meaning open door. It is a Sanskrit word, so it is an open door for everybody, especially destitute people, tribal people, deserving people with whom we are working for them. And we choose Kalyan. Our NGO basically registered in Mumbai, and we choose Kalyan because earlier when we used to practical our professional work, we found lots of people are there where nothing is there. So we are in social development. Side by side, we are a health action program. We both are doing.
So now, how is this associated with your work?
TIS associated, we are group of people from TIS. We have started this NGO 12 years back. So now NGO is full-fledged working for health action, tribal welfare, sanitation, women empowerment, environment project, sustainable project. We are doing different company with CSR project, and side by women empowerment.
And how many hours in a week do you end up putting up for your NGO?
See, Monday to Saturday we work. Only Saturday 4 o'clock people we make them leave. Otherwise Monday 10 to 5 our office are there. Our both offices in Kalyan. We are Mumbai registered NGO, but we operate from Kalyan. We are doing water sustainable project, rainwater harvesting.
And let us say, one of the things which interests, I think, the audience also is when you started off your NGO, how has your routine changed? I mean, initial days, was there so much work as to put 6 hours a week now, which you are putting? Initial days, how much work did you have?
Oh, that is so very difficult. But to make standing one NGO and this pandemic, it is so difficult. But God grace, the day pandemic started, just next day we have started work frontline for the COVID. We are distributed more than 50,000 people in different areas. We are used to give in Murbad daily 500 people cook food. Then in Kalyan, Ambernath, up to Kalyan belt, everywhere.
So now when we come to COVID and your COVID relief work, we come to vaccine also.
Right.
Now medical technology is a sort of a miracle because they are providing you a medicine that can prevent death, that can prevent disease also.
Right.
So in this regard, I also am attracted to how you have been able to lead a normal life, an extraordinary life. Rather, it's not a normal life. It's being a managing director of an NGO is no small task. So how do you appreciate medical technology? How grateful? What do you feel about it? How much role has it played in your life?
In once in a lifetime we got this pandemic, and initially I thought if we don't work in a pandemic, so we will not see another pandemic in this life. So all my resources, all my contacts we put on to distributing food, mask. We are making also mask, but we used to few hospitals. Now we are doing broadly mask.
Why does when I entered the exhibition, I saw your products and
Yeah.
I was seeing. Then somebody told me that you use a Jaipur hand.
Yeah.
I was a little bit surprised. Then I said, okay, thank you, medical technology.
Yes.
So that's and when did you throughout your NGO journey you had your medically technology enabled hand, or was it before that? Was it after that?
No, actually, in my childhood I lost my both hands in a one unfortunate train accident. But God has kept something else for me, you know. God has, I believe, prepared something else. So I lost my 4 years, but again have started in my inspiring my brother, sister, parents, my friend circles. Then again we have started to study, and then we done MSW from TISS. I done hospital and healthcare management from Pune Symbiosis, and the journey started
what is the
from
one
there.
tip that you will give to somebody who is passing through a difficult phase today, like from the difficult phases that you have faced? What is the one tip you will give?
See,
Okay.
life is very difficult, but we have to do it. I always see people, if I don't have, I can able to do it. Why you not?
So with this end note, we end this little chit chat with managing director of an NGO, and this is at Veterana Center exhibition at Tefla Studio, Aram Nagar 129. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.